New smartphone, Vernee V2 Pro, 4G phablet.
And today I bring you a brand new rugged phone, and I do mean brand new. This is the Vernee V2 Pro. Now Vernee were kind enough to provide us with a test unit that's right here, even before it's available for sale. But by the time you watch this video, it will be available here at gearbest.com. But anyway, I'm here to talk to you about this one. It's very cool, the Vernee V2 Pro. Look at it from the side. It's a rugged phone. So that means it's one of those smartphones that are built for the outdoors, for the more adventurous people, or those that work in conditions that might bring some hazard to, well, to yourself and to the objects that you carry. So meaning it's waterproof, it's dustproof, it's resistant to impact and all those sorts of things. So you can use it and maneuver it anywhere you want almost. Still, it's a very good smartphone inside spec-wise, not just because it's very robust on the outside, but also the specs are very good. We have 6 GB of RAM inside, plus 64 gigs of storage that can be expanded with a micro SD card up to 128 gigs. Also inside, a very good CPU from MediaTek. It's the Helio P23, that's an Octa core, clocking in at 2 GHz per core. It's one of the best CPUs from MediaTek. One of the best you can find in Android smartphones. Also the battery is huge, 6,200 milliamps inside, that will power up the smartphone for easily 2 or 3 days without having to recharge. Also very nice feature, in the back we have a dual camera right here. So in the back we have a dual camera, that's a 21 megapixel plus 5 megapixel there with a dual flash LED light and a fingerprint scanner right here. Also in the front we have a very nice dual camera. In the front we have another dual camera, that's 13 megapixels plus 5 megapixels, also a flash LED light right there. And that's pretty much it. I mean, as I mentioned, it's a rugged phone, so waterproof, dustproof, impact proof. It has all those features that you'd expect from like a sports device. So it has a pedometer, heart rate, heart rate. Lastly, but definitely not least, the OS inside the Vernee V2 Pro. It's the Android 8.1 Oreo. That's the latest OS from Google. So you have that, and it's stock version, so that's pretty nice as well. That's pretty much it. Check the link below for all the details, more specs, and obviously the pricing. Remember, this is a test unit right here, but once you buy it, it's going to be the final full version working spectacularly well. Like and subscribe, and we have a lot more Vernee smartphones.